Senegal, West Africa, to St. Louis, Missouri. Thanks to Catherine Dunham for giving my pops his glory. He came down with his drum and a dream to change the world in a free, uplifting world, and that's all he ever wanted. Mom came a little after, gave birth to my brother, and then all of the pressure made them fight one another. You see, the pain will never last. Did the best with what they had. He knew the world was out for grabs, and he searched to find his freedom, 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 oh, freedom. Everything I have, everything I own, all my mistakes, fam, you already know. I wanna be free, I wanna be free. So I searched to find